All right, this is my attempt at making some homemade ice cream using some basic ingredients. So heavy whipping cream is one of the ingredients we'll need. Also vitamin D whole milk or any kind of milk. Granulated sugar, vanilla extract is optional, we want a vanilla ice cream. And rock salt and also ice. So for the other just tools we're going to need a half-cup measuring cup and a gallon bag and also a quart-sized bag. And this is what's going to hold our actual ice cream. Also, I used a tablespoon to measure out the vanilla. So I started out by getting a half a cup of the whole milk and putting it into our quarter-sized bag. And this is going to be one of the bases of our ice cream. And then after that, I got a half cup of the heavy whipping cream and also added it to the same bag. And this is going to make our creamy part of our ice cream. I did a half teaspoon of the vanilla extract and added it in. And we also did a half a cup, or a quarter cup rather, of the granulated sugar. So this included all of the ingredients of the ice cream, and at this point we had to stir up the contents of the bag. And we also tasted it to make sure that it tasted like actual ice cream. So I zipped the bag and I added ice to the gallon-sized bag, just enough to cover about a fourth of the bottom of the bag with ice. And this is going to actually help us to freeze the contents of the quarter bag. And added rock salt in with the ice in the gallon bag. And then I went ahead and put in the quart-sized bag into the gallon bag. And then I topped that off with some ice. And this is just going to kind of cover up the entire contents of that quarter-sized bag so we can really get the whole thing cold. And after this, I went ahead and added in some rock salt on top of the gallon bag, the ice that I put on top of the bag, the quarter-sized bag, and zipped this up, and then I started shaking. So this took us about 18 minutes to shake the whole bag and get it to a good consistency, a good ice cream consistency. And at the end, we were really happy with the final results. It was definitely very ice cream-like in consistency. And here's a video of my wife trying it, and it was really good. We really liked it.